So today we are working on a Kia Ceed petrol. The car had some misfires on cylinder 4. So the first thing that I did is to swipe position from ignition coil number 4 to number 3. I also checked the spark plugs just to be sure that it's in good condition. I hit the test drive on the car, but the check engine light comes up again. But this time the misfire was on cylinder 3. So I realized that the problem was the ignition coil. So I put a new ignition coil and the problem was solved.